Welcome to the guard hanger overview video. Our new guard hangers solve the basic safety problem of where do you put the guard when you take it off. Use guard hangers on flat guards to help in the storage of the guard once you remove it for maintenance or inspection. Wedge clamps and guard seats are used for easier removal of the flat guards. Our guard hangers are small and compact in size and will not affect any part of your current guard. With the guard hangers, you can hang your flat guard on other guards or on a railing to safely store your guard when not in place. Guard hangers are rubber coated for increased durability and creates friction to prevent slippage. Install guard hangers onto existing guards or install onto your new guard. Guard hangers attach to your guards with 2 bolts on each hanger and are shipped with all mounting hardware. Please note when using wedge clamps, some regulations require a cable tie and tool to remove the guards.